Shall we get into the process of understanding how this been taken? I'll just show you that now. Now look at it. I have a data here. I'll just 1 second. I'll just take it off. We have a data here, whole lot of a data. Okay, and yeah, any queries? Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please ask me the query.
Sir, in recruitment domain, sir,
Okay.
HR, in that also a dashboard can be used, like this year, how many recruiters were there?
Absolutely. It's a wonderful question. I'll tell you how exactly it will going to be taken. Okay. You are,
Yes.
assume that Amruta, you are CHRO, Chief HR Officer. Okay.
Yes.
You know how many projects are happening, or you know which is the new branch is coming. Okay, in advance,
Yes,
because you are at the boardroom and you know what is happening. Okay, and any moment of time, if I can show you the same dashboard, at any moment of time, I know with the department how many employees are already working with me and how many are, which salary grade they are available. Okay, but I need, again, there are 2-3 things are there. Okay, I'll just demonstrate with this only. 2-3 things are there. One is somebody is not performing. One is somebody is repeatedly putting a leave. Okay, you have this whole lot of a jugglery with you, and at any moment of time you can dig out many things. Plus, new branch is coming. Which place? Is it CHR or you are at the state level? Which place? Is it Davangere? Is it Ballari? Is it Gulbarga? Is it Belgaum? Is it Hubli? Is it Dharwad? Is it Gadag? You know that. Or multiple places it's coming. Gadag, Karwar, Hubli, Belgaum, kind of. That means I'm going to go for that area colleges. Which colleges? Is it technical? Is it non-technical? What kind of a job profiles are there? You already know it. Already know that which are the job profiles are required. Can I shuffle somebody? Look at it. I'll just click on Motilal here. I know Motilal is doing good. Can I give him the, on this performance appraisal, can I promote him as a manager somewhere? Because right now he's in R&D, he's doing good. Okay, can I push Motilal to Gadag? So this jugglery, you can do it well, and then you can come out with a proposal. So ultimately I need 18 positions should be filled in. 20 positions will be filled in. Then you put your team on the task. Go to these colleges, because already these are set of colleges which are coming out with the graduations. And these colleges are affiliated colleges from where I pick the data. I pick the candidates, sorry. Okay, so how will I get to know? Because the dashboard is with me. But if I go with randomly, can you really have a control on that? Getting my point? Okay, this is how HR will going to talk about. If I continue with this finance, again, similar kind of questions will come. That's what I said. You are great people. Only thing that change the horizon of thought process. How I can get into this? Okay, I'll just twist your training. You're talking about recruitment. I'll just twist from HR into training and recruitment. Whom to train? Whom to train? Which area? Should I train him on the administrative skills, or should I train him on the attitude part of it? Should I train him on the job and knowledge? Which part should I train
those
him?
details also will be showed, sir.
Yes, I'll show you another sheet. This is going to be, this is very interesting. Look at it. Look at it. Very clear. I have one is employee voice. Okay. This is one dashboard. Deepa Kulkarni. What is her performance? Okay. Can you see that? Okay. Quality work. She is a 9 out of 15. Work habits. She's 13 out of 20. Total is 62. Okay. Her interpersonal skills. Look at it. I have marks. Okay. Which I am getting it from the data. The data is there here. Year on year data is there. Okay. Now, if I look at another dashboard on the same ground, look at it. Okay. Can you see this? I know
So
what
the
is happening
dashboard
in
is
R&D.
not shown, so we cannot see that.
Is not visible?
No, sir.
Okay, one
No,
second. I'll share it once again. Wait.
Yes.
Visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now if I take all the departments, sorry, yeah, if I take all the departments, I'm getting it. Okay, and I'll change the year. I'll just take the latest year, 2021. This is performance. This is performance of the different department. Now, if I take finance. Okay. Now, is the data is changing here? I take only finance. I take only HR. Look, the data are changing over here, and this is of all years. Now I'll change it to 2021. Look at it. What is happening in Belgaum? What is happening in Hubli? What is happening in Davangere? It's very clear here with respect to HR. If I change it to R&D, it tells about R&D at different 4 places. Previously, it was only 3 places because there were no employees from that particular department. If I go with the sales, this is another area because I have a data of that kind. Okay, this is overall picture. Now, with respect to sales, if I wanted to find it out, I'll go to the evaluation sheet here. Employee wise, I get a whole lot of data because I have single data which is pumped in by different people. Okay, year on year, it's running. This has been taken. Only thing that I put names of my students because that's what confidential. Okay, so I put the last year your super seniors names. I have put it, but these are actual data at different places. Davangere, Hubli, Dharwad, Belgaum. This is, I'll just tell you, this is from the Reliance Fresh. I had some understanding with them. Okay, whom I shared sometime with some of the people like Kolhapur. There is an opening. So same data it is. I have picked it. Okay, they have put it. Say, look at here. Q1, Q2, Q3, WH, WH2, WH3. What is the meaning of that? It is all about evaluation. Q1 is quality of work. WH is work habits. And you can see that punctuality, attendance, does the employee stay busy, look for the things to do, takes initiative at the work, look at what minute level they have gone it. And the HR is given a rating, maybe self-appraisal or whatever it is. Okay. But your job, can I create once? If I can create once, end of it, it works. Only color changes, this, that, you can do it later. Okay, how much time it will going to take? 1 day, 2 days, 1 week? Fantastic, 1 week, finish karo. How I'm getting this? Okay, is it so difficult to get the pop-up here? What I've done? Nothing great. Okay, I'll just show you what I have done. Okay, to do this, go to data, go to validation. Okay, click on data validation, use list, get the source from where I'm taking this, click on this, look at it. All employees, that's it. All employees. Get all employees, end of it. Click on this, close, okay. Come here, I'll get the list. That's it. Nothing less, nothing more. Once I get, say, Devraj Dodmani, if I click, I get his scores. How I'm doing this? How I get he is a supervisor or not? How I get he is a sales or not? What is that I done? Just look at it. VLOOKUP, simple. VLOOKUP, say I know Devraj is a salesperson. Okay, I know his date of joining. This is also VLOOKUP, nothing more. Look at it. It's a VLOOKUP, that's it. Okay, when he is joined, 2014, what is that? VLOOKUP, nothing more. Okay, same thing I have done it over here also. Here it is SUMIF. Can you see that? It is just SUMIF.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's it. Have you not already have this knowledge? Only thing that you should get it from the data. And getting data is not your job. Data will be given by your branches, your state heads. They will give you because that is their job. They have to give it. There is no other go. They have to give it because it is system is set by that way. Okay, once I get this, you create this and give it to the required people. I can take any action on that. Remaining is very simple. This is summation. Sum of these all things. Sum of 2 plus 2 plus 5. This is not a big issue. This anybody can do. Okay, can I have action on this? Definitely I can have action on this. Okay, now I'll take another sheet. I'll create it over here. I'll show you how can I find out. How can I find out? This is whole lot of data is there. Okay, sorry, where is that? Data is over here. Okay, how can I find out how many people are there from which department? Okay, and which branch? Okay, so what I'll do is this also you people are aware. I'll highlight them here. I highlight them. Okay, I highlighted. And what I'm doing, I'm using this. Do you remember camera? Okay, so I'm going to click on this camera. Okay, and I'll paste it over here. I'll just click it over here. So this is right now available to us. Okay, look at it. This is available to us. Okay, this picture is available to us. Same data, I'm putting it over here. Okay, now I have done this. I'll just copy this. Okay, and put it in the new sheet. Sorry, where is that? I'll put it over here. Now this is blur because there is no selection is being done. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll go to again data. This is already made it as a table. So I'll go to insert slicer. Okay, so what all I have taken? I have taken, I want department and I wanted probably year and I'm going to take a branch. These three I'll take it. These three I'll take it. Okay, and I'm not going to keep them over here. I'll just take initially the only branch. Okay, I'll copy this or I'll cut this from here. And I'll paste it in the new sheet here. Now, look at it. It will exactly work like a dashboard for me. I wanted people from Davangere. Should work for me. 1 second. It's working. I think I need to take once again this picture. I'll just do that. There is more blur. Give me a second. I'll just copy this once again so that it will work. I'll take this data once again. Yeah. Okay. Copy this. Take the camera and go to sheet and put it over here. Sorry. The camera. And paste it over here. Oh, sorry. 1 second. only this much. The camera and paste it here. Not allowing. Why? We'll keep it beside. This will make. I'm not given all the branches. Okay. I'll do that now. Okay. I selected this much. Take the camera and paste it over here. It's coming very blur because data is huge. I'll show it with another example, then we can work on this. Okay. Yeah, I'll do it with this example. Employee data are here. Okay. I'll do it with this so that it will be clear to you people. Okay. Same kind. What I'll do is I'll highlight this. Use the camera and paste it over here. Yeah. Now this I can place it wherever I want. I'll just cut this and put it on the new sheet here. Okay. Now this is there with me. Now I'll go back to employee data and create slicers. Okay, create slicers. What I'll take is I'll take department and probably I'll take yeah, I'll show you with the department first. I'll copy this department in the new sheet where I have kept this. Okay, look at it. I kept it over here. Now if I click on finance, what is happening? Okay. Show me very clearly. It's a double selection that I need to check it out once. Yeah, here it is double selection. Okay. Yeah, go to sheet number 1 now. Yeah. This is what the testing phase will be. Now, is it referring which data? That will going to be clear. 1 second, it is working. It will going to show you IT and accounting data. The two sheets are working parallelly. So rather I'll just copy this once. I'll take it from here only. Copy this and paste it here only. That will be more convenient. Yeah. Now, if I click on IT, it gives me IT inputs. Accounting, if I put it. So what I've done is I've not done anything great. Okay. I have gone to the employee data. From here, I just copied using camera things. Now, people will ask me from where this camera will be available. Okay. So to do this, click on the customize quick access toolbar. Okay, go to more commands. Go to more commands. Choose all commands. Okay, and get the camera. Camera will be somewhere here. Okay, put it, already I have put it. Click on add and click on OK. So this camera will be available from here. Camera will be available from here. Okay, from here I can get the camera. Just highlight whichever the part you want and paste it where you wanted to have it. So that I have done it in the sheet number 1 here. Same camera. This is just an image. Okay, the person who is your supervisor or who is your super senior or sorry, superior will not going to have any access to this. He can only click on these so that appropriately the data is going to be available to him. He can see that. How many people are there in human resource department? How many people are there in R&D? So that we can work on that. Okay, this part. Okay, second part. I'll go to another sheet which I said about. Look at here, which I have done it for the not evaluation, calculation part. Yeah, look at it. Okay, so which we are used other day, something called as, this is from the count tips, which I need not to say anything. Whereas from there I am picking with the help of index. Okay, this I need to speak on you people. Okay, I'll just show you this. Now, I'll just copy your department over here. Now, if I want all these years, I'll use conditional formatting. Sorry, not conditional formatting. 1 second. Yeah. I'll go to data. I'll use data validation and I'll get all the years as a combo box there. Just look at it. Data validation. Choose the list box and highlight these all years. I've not done anything great. Now look at it. Combo box is available. I can choose whichever year. Okay. Now, with respect to choice of this 2017, I wanted this value should come. I'll just show you. These values should come over here. If I click on 2017, if I click on 2016, it should come the adjacent values here. So how will you do this? This can be done with the help of index and match, which already I have done it. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. Okay, is equals to index. Index will give you from the given array, rectangular area. If you give row and a column number, it will come to available. So what do I mean by that? From this rectangular area, if I give, say for example, 2 by 2, second row, second column, it will going to give me 26. Look at it. This was my area. Second row is this, and this is 26, which is available. Okay. Now, how will I identify 2017 and marketing? Okay, that can be done with the help of, I'll again write it, index. This is my matrix in which I'll identify the row first. Row is a marketing row. How will you get the marketing row? I'll do the match. Match this. What I wanted to match? Marketing I wanted to match. Okay. Where is marketing is available? I'll going to take it from this set. Okay. And I'll say it is exact match with the help of 0. Okay, comma. So I got the row number now. Comma. I'll go for again column heading 17 I should match. Okay. How will you do that? Again match. What I wanted to match? 2017. Comma. Where it is available? from this column headings. Okay, and I wanted to match exact match. Complete the match, complete the index, press enter. Look at it. Did I get 24? Indeed, it is 24 here. Okay, now I simply pull this here. I should get all the values. Sorry, I have to do a small correction in this before I drag. Okay, what is changing in this? Marketing is changing. Okay, so I should be able to, it is O2 to O3, it has to go. So O should be constant. Okay, O should be constant. Okay, so that has to be made dollar here. Okay, and P1 should be made constant. $P, $1 should be made constant. Okay, now if I can drag, it will be available to me, all the values. Look at it, 24, 24, 26, 26, 17, 17, 26, 26, and so on. Now, can I work on this? If I change 2016, are the values changed? Just confirm once. Right? If I change 2021, look at here only. 17, 18, 12, 16, 16. So how are we able to do that? With the help of index and a match combination. Match will going to give me which row and which column. Okay. Index is or work with the array which I have taken it. This is a rectangular area. I wanted to find out which column and which row. That will be done with the help of index and match. If I can do this, I'll going to get the data. Once I get this data, on that you can show it as a tabular fashion or in the form of a graph. You can very well show it on this. Okay, now what I'll do is simple. I'll take this and I'll draw a graph. Pretty simple. I got a graph here. If I change the data, say for example, I wanted to draw for 2018, graph is automatically working. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll copy this. Rather, I'll cut it from here. I'll put it in the performance. I'll paste it over here. Now, how will you get 2018 say 2019? Okay, so keep your what do you call it as the array over here. How will you do that? Go to data, take the validation. Okay, list box. Where is years? It's available in the calculation part. Sorry, where it is? My God. Okay, here. These are my years. 13, 14, 15, 16 till 21. And click on OK. Now I'm going to get here. Now, how will you connect this to that? So this is available in the performance Q17. You can look at it here. Q17, it is available. Okay. Now, this Q17, I should get it in the sheet number 2. Here I should get it. Okay. So I'll delete this part. Okay. What I'll put it from performance Q17. I'll get that data. Now look at it. It is 2015 only. Now if I go to performance, if I change this to 2019, the data is changing. 2021, the data is changing automatically because I have given the connectivity from here to there. I hope you are getting what I am trying to speak in total. Please ask any queries. Please ask any queries. Is the connectivity is understood? Yes, no. Or should I repeat once? Can I assume it is understood? Any quick response?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So however, I'm going to share this. Yeah, please, any queries? Sorry. No queries? Okay. So please use all your learnings all these days. The advanced formulas about D sum, D if, D count, okay, sum if, count if, average if, okay. You recall your memory with respect to H lookup and V lookup, okay. All are known to you, okay. I'll go with a few more things, okay, which we talk about. Graphs are there and how the graphs can be controlled. If I change one data, how to connect it. Yes, you know what is index, what is match. Can I have a combination of it? We have learned one more formula called as offset. Use all these combinations. Use all these combinations in the calculation part. Okay. In the dashboard, only keep what is required. Now, dashboard need not to be single sheet. For example, area sales manager is superior, no doubt in that. Above him, there is a state head sales will be there, or state head HR will be there, or state head finance officer will be there. Okay, two different dashboards are created. Okay, from the single data. Okay, both will get different kind of a data representation. Okay, state head doesn't need a minute level. Area sales head required the minute level. So accordingly, you should have a set of queries, or you should have an interaction with those people. What they wanted, create those dashboards. Okay, they will work differently. Okay, but source of the data will remain same. Okay, data will be the remain same. From there, you're going to have a different calculation sheets. Calculation sheet will not going to be very clean. Okay, can I hide that? That's another question. Yes, definitely. Okay, say for example, this is my working. Okay, what I'll do is I'll right click this and hide it. Anytime you can unhide that. Sheet 4 is not available. Okay, this is also sheet 2 is also, I should not show this to anybody. Still the things will work. Okay, for example, if I hide this sheet, I'll just do that. Right click on the sheet, hide it. Anytime you can unhide. Okay, still I'll go to performance. It's working. Okay, look at it. 2017. It's working. 2021. It works. Okay, so you can unhide and hide anytime the sheets, and you can work on that. Okay, hide and unhide. Yes, I forgot to tell you, you can use combo box, which we already learned. You can use the camera tool, use it perfectly. Okay, and the color combination of as per the company, color combination as per your choice and your boss requirement. Accordingly, you can go for it, and you can enjoy the world of Excel. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. Okay, I hope I have done the justice to a whole lot of a discussion. I'll stop sharing, and I'll just stop recording also.